So we're gonna keep going. Let me get these books out of my way here because they're pretty imposing next to me, right at my elbow, and they're going to make me cranky because they're going to be in the way, as they're a rather large stack. Okay, so we ended with lunch, correct? Yes. Yes. Not much of a lunch. Oh, there's a few pages. There's 2 spreads. 2.5 spreads. That's alright. If you were watching and you just yawned, let me know, because I did. And I want to see if that thing works even when we can't actually see it. Because you know how when you see someone yawn, you yawn? They say it's a social thing. They haven't quite figured it out yet. The last time I Googled it, I couldn't find anything that... So, anyway, it was... It'd be cool to find out if some things are true, you know? Is it true? Oh, of course it's not going to fit. Gotta get me... Well, if I got a bigger guillotine, then it wouldn't be sitting right next to me on this desk. So... However, a slightly bigger one. A bigger one that's narrow would be amazing. I think Tim Holtz probably makes it. Like I said, though, this is great for small things. And then if I wanted to take it with me, that'd be handy too. Okay, some dips, salsa, apple butter. I think I'm gonna leave this unattached. Put this in there with it. What's it gonna go in, Tina? There are so many things. I mean, any of these horizontal ones can be used as a tuck. I could use... Ooh, hang on a minute. I've got ribbon. You know, all those, but I'm not going to want to use that for a band. It's too small. Oh, goodness. Let's see how this will do. Oh, it's got wire. Well, that's alright. Get it from Dollar Tree, only this is probably from Walmart. Most likely. We've got rubber bands back here somewhere. Oh, it's a tiny one. won't ruin that. Guess it won't. I did not realize that that was bent. Oh. Get that off there. Tag box. And the fan is wreaking havoc. I don't think we'll need Fabri-Tac even though this is ribbon. I want to get that wire edge especially. I know, I got it on you. You'll be okay. I'm probably going to put something over that just to hide these edges. Messy. I'll put something over these, top and bottom of this for sure. It's kind of loose, didn't want that either, but it better not start with me. I don't want any bubbling yet. Don't you start. I'm not having it. Alright. Unfortunately, that beacon, after you've been using it, it needs to be thinned out a little bit with acetone, and I haven't bought any yet for one thing, and then I'm not even sure how much to add. You know? Let's see, we have salsa, dip, and apple butter. Well, these can slide in here, but that's kind of lame, right? It's fine, but what do I want to do up here? Something. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see what's over here. I know there was stuff in here. All kinds of stuff. Absolutely. I know I'm gonna find stuff now. That's freezer. I don't want ice cream yet. Big cookies. do that though, then it's going to affect how big this is. That's going to be too large. Alright, it's got to be something small. And they do have stickers. That should be eggs. Oh, molasses. That'll be good. Just cut this off. Tag box. There'll be a bunch of little doodads in the bottom. I'll have to hunt those down next time now because I've got them all in there. This is not straight. Eyeball it. Not sure where that went, but oh my gosh, definitely warm out here. I also gotta figure out what I want to make with dinner, I guess. I got cold chicken to reheat. I don't know if I want to do mashed potatoes, Also, I haven't gone to the store, and we don't have a whole lot here. So, options are slightly limited. I've got potatoes and veggies. Oh, you know what? I got stuffing. I could make some stuffing. That'd be good. Alright, solved. That sounds really good, actually. It's just instant stuffing, but I love stovetop. I've actually never... Well, the only real stuffing I've ever made was at Thanksgiving, but I've always loved stovetop. My mom used to make it, she'd buy pork tenderloin, slice it up, and then fry it like chicken. Bread it and fry it like chicken. And she always made stovetop with it. And scalloped potatoes from the box. The Betty Crocker scalloped potatoes. Yum! One of my favorite meals ever. I would still eat. Excuse my head, I gotta lean in here and look. I'm gonna try to make it centered, you know. It's gonna limit this pocket, or this tuck a little bit, but that's fine. Got room for it. Alright, something down here. Ooh, I am hot. It's hot. Okay, what do we have? I don't know about these. Yes, they will work. That's just dishes. Is there coffee or tea? Oh, there's a little bar. Isn't that cute? That looks like about like what we need. I just wish it was a little wider to come out beyond the... But I don't have any like that. I already discovered that earlier. And then what did we find? Let me see. Excuse me, I got some wider ones I know of. It doesn't have to be this. So let's ixnay on that. It's a breakfast sandwich. Here's a sandwich. How can I do that? That hot dog will work. Okay, let's do that. Now let's try to distress it. Just a little. Just to get those white edges, you know? Come on. Just do it. I'm so glad I thought of that stuffing. I'm serious, I was like, oh, I don't want to move. This ain't going nowhere, no how, no way. Warm in here, that is for sure. Okay, now this can come out this way. There's the tab. It's gonna sneak in like that. And what do we got? Snacks and stuff. Here's the spreads. See what we got in here, I think. See if I even did this right. No, maybe not. Yeah. Let's do that. I hope it'll stick. I'm gonna glue it. Come on. I know these are stickers. Aren't they? They are. Just trying to peel the whole back of it off. There it goes. Oh my goodness, you little turd. It's actually really sticky. I'm gonna just put it on there. Excuse me. It's not sticky. That's gonna be fine. Cut the edge of that. Let me fix it. Where's that? Where's my pen? My baby. There it is. Salads. Oh my goodness. But that's the dressing. Why do I have... Oh, alright. I'm gonna have to do salads before I do bread and soup. Which makes sense. This way. Soupage. And there's more bread I'm not paying attention to. Alright. This is soup. This is bread. Alright, there we go. Let's make use of these pretty pictures here. Cut off the roughage. I'm not gonna mess with that. This one's probably might be a shorter video. I'm pooping out and I need to go figure out. I need to take something out of the freezer for tomorrow before I forget. I'm actually kind of ready for some couch time. What do we have time-wise? 20 minutes. Okay. Well, let's keep going. Alright, we're doing the salad. Right. And then because I just saw there we go. This is what I need. I don't know why that got put in there. It's a soup. These are dips. Oh boy. So I'm gonna do these dips first. And then let me get these trimmed. We've got to do that no matter what. This might be a really short video. I'm hitting the wall here. I'm sure you can tell. So that was the first. Pickles, dip, salads. Okay, so I could do this after the salad. And it goes into the dips. And then just the herb dip and stuff. And then on into soup and bread. Alright. Alright, so this is what I'm working on right here. The recipes for these on the back, so these we don't put down. Three pepper oat pilaf. I'm not even sure they'll want that, but maybe. Maybe I'll use that as the tuck spot. Yeah, I think so. I think that might be it. What needs to happen. Alright, so these are pictures. Spot. These gotta stay whole. Wow, I'm just tearing the place up. So let's maybe come here. That'll fit right in there. And come out as a tab. I need something bigger than that. I need a whole page. Use a bag. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's get this corner as such. What just fell on my head? It was probably one of the things from that. It's okay, team. Nothing's coming after you. That says main dish, but it's not. I'll put something on that to hide that. Oat pilaf. I would consider that a side dish. To me, it looked more like a salad even. So maybe I'm wrong putting it there. Okay, let's just do it though. Don't need to do the sides, just the tops. It shifted a smidge. Oh no, it didn't. Good. I don't know if that's gonna fit or not. Let's test. Probably not, because I know for a fact I put too much glue on that. So I can shorten this a smidge, and that's gonna be just groovy. Let's see. I'm gonna use this. Doesn't feel left out, right? There. Let's see how that does. Tight box. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so we're gonna cover this and that. We're gonna leave that. I want to get those holes off of there. All kinds of paper scraps here. And I'm completely losing my shit, basically. I don't know what I want to do now. Do not know. Fit. Of course, it's not the right kind of stuff. None of this is, I don't think. It's all kind of sweet stuff, really. Alright. I'm looking for little pieces and horizontal pieces. Nothing in there either. None of those are long enough for any of that. So there's nothing gonna be here. So barely half hour, huh, you guys? Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it. Sorry. Starting to hurt a little more, and I need to get out of this chair and do something different. When I took my break earlier, I did the dishes. I stood and did that. And so every time I take a break, I try to do something different. Right now, I'm probably gonna go lay on the couch because I haven't laid down yet today since I woke up. so I can still lay down today. Get all this stuff off me. Alright, so this is a shorty, I know. We'll finish up this baby and continue on to the next journals because I'm not stopping anytime soon. So you all have a good afternoon. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.